This is problem 6.03 from the CFA Institute textbook, Corporate Finance, A Practical Approach. And this problem is asking about the effect of stock dividends and splits onto share price. Okay, so in a recent presentation, Doug Pierce made two statements about dividends. The first statement was that a stock dividend will increase share price, all other things being equal. The exact opposite. A stock dividend doesn't increase share price. A stock dividend simply creates more shares but doesn't change the market value of the equity. So all a stock dividend does is shift equity from retained earnings to the contributed capital category and create more shares. So if you're dividing the exact same pie into smaller slices, the effect of a stock dividend is the same as a stock split. It's going to reduce the price. So statement one is false. Statement two, one practical concern with the stock split is that it will reduce the company's price to earnings ratio. Alright, so a stock split is actually going to reduce the share price. If your stock price was $100 per share and you do a 2-for-1 stock split, then everybody who owned one share now owns two $50 shares instead of one $100 shares. So a stock split reduces the price. The price to earnings, though, the earnings per share is the net income divided by the number of shares. So just as the stock price would get cut in half, the earnings per share would get cut in half. So there is no change whatsoever in the price to earnings ratio. So both of these statements are false, and that would be answer A, no for both statements.